Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. And it's Rush from More Reviews. So we're here with another exclusive property tour. And by now, once you hear exclusive, it means that we are going on the inside. We're taking a full tour. So today we're at the Echelon apartment complex. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Please do comment on this property at the end of the video or even during the video. Leave your comment and definitely share the video as well. Turn on your post notification bell so once we do an upload like this, you are fully aware and you get notified. And if you want to support the channel by donating, we have PayPal and other options as well. In terms of how you can donate, we have PayPal. So it's the Echelon Apartments Complex. It's on Upper Waterloo Road in Kingston. And we're taking an exclusive property tour. So I did some previous videos on this property on the outside because I didn't get a chance to go in. I'll put those previous videos on the channel as well so that you guys can see. So I'll leave those in the comments. But today we are going on the inside. Prices start at $34 million for the units. A lot of amenities, pool, underground parking, gym, and a lot more amenities as well. So this is one of the new near to completion apartments in Kingston. I know there's a lot more in Kingston as well. You know, from 20 South, Parkhurst 1. A lot of them coming up right now. So Kingston is not short on apartment complexes. The price though, the prices varies. I know a lot of persons say some of them prices is too steep, but yet they're being sold out. So persons who can afford, overseas residents who can afford, investors who can afford, those are the persons that are definitely taking up these properties. So let's go inside. Let's get closer to the property so we can get an exclusive tour. It's an overcast day, so sorry for the dark video, but you know, rain or shine, Rush Raymore for bringing you guys the content. So whether you're overseas, you're in Jamaica, you're in Kingston, you know, always out there getting content for you guys. So I appreciate the support and appreciate everything. So this is a one bedroom. Will be wired for AC. So is an air closet, shower, Alright, so it's a bit dark, guys. So apologies for that. So this is the one bedroom unit. raining. So this is the kitchen area, where the kitchen will be, living room, pipes for AC. You have your balcony, nice view over here. Alright, so this is the living room space. And then from the living room you have your laundry area, and then bedrooms are on this side. So this is the shared bathroom. And then this is bedroom number 1. And then this is the master bedroom right in here. This is a closet area. So work is still going on. And then this is the master bathroom. All right, so this is the 2-bedroom. All right, so on to the next. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom. This is living and dining. So we know the kitchen area will be right here. So kitchen, sink, living area, living space. This one has the master bedroom on the left, the second bedroom on the right. And then you have the laundry area right here. And then you have this bathroom that both guests can use, and also for this bedroom. This one is on, I think, the 4th floor, so this price is 38 mil Jamaican for this 2-bedroom. The balcony is in the master bedroom, so I'll show you guys that. Pipes for AC. This is the closet area. And again, bathroom around here. Then we walk back into the living space. No balcony here, but you have sliding window, sliding door, recessed lights. And then this is the master bedroom with sliding doors towards the balcony. So this one has the balcony in the master. You'll have a nice view of Kingston, but again it's raining outside, so you won't get to see much. And that's Waterloo Road, heading into Alpha Tree. Then this has a walk-in closet with closet space on both sides. then the master bathroom. So again, apologies for the lighting. There is no electricity in the building as yet. So I'm using the lighting from my camera. And this is the master bathroom, shower, sink. Standing shower right there is in our closet. And bedroom here. So leave your comments. So next bedroom over that side. Alright, so this is your kitchen area. And then this is your entire living room space. This is your pantry. Then laundry here. And then this is your bathroom number 1. And then this is your room number 1, closet area. But this can easily be converted to an office if you choose, because there are 2 bedrooms upstairs, because this is the penthouse. And then this will be an outdoor terrace area. So you'll have glass at the bottom, and then you'll have all that view. But this will be an outside terrace. And then that's upstairs. Staircase will be right there, not yet complete. And then that's bedroom upstairs. 2 bedroom upstairs, the master bedroom, master bathroom. So this is the concept of the penthouse suite. And then again, that's the terrace area. Alright, so it's raining outside, so not a lot of sunlight coming in right now. It's a nice view. Alright, and this is the gym area.
Yeah, we're coming down, but it could come. No, don't say that.
Alright guys, there you have it. The Echelon apartment complex. It's a rainy day, but you know, I still decided to come out and, you know, give you guys an exclusive tour. Yes, the video is a bit dark because they don't have any powers yet. That's the Echelon on the left. But definitely leave your comment, guys. Leave your comment. Remember to share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the apartment complex. Let me know what you think about the location, the price, some of the 2 bedroom is 34, 36, 38 based on the floor that you're on. So we're able to see two different 2-bedroom. We saw glimpses of the penthouse. We saw glimpses of the rooftop area due to the rain. So we saw the gym, the rooftop recreational area. The pool will be downstairs. Right, so that was the Echelon. I'm gonna turn right here. So again, guys, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and definitely leave your comments. And I'll see you on another property tour, another exclusive, where we're able to go on the property and show you guys around. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. So we're going back down the road, heading into Alpha Tree direction. Just wanted to end out the video. And again, guys, we're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. We want to reach that number by September 1st. Then after 6,000, it's on to 10,000. So one step at a time.